I have shown the setup thing to you, how to set up a Wacom 16 device with your laptop, and how to install the software and how to quickly start this Wacom 16 device. Hey guys, welcome to my channel Wiseman, and today we are going to see unboxing and review of this Wacom Cintiq 16 creative pen display device. So it's a quite big box that is coming when you purchase this Wacom Cintiq device, and let's see what specification we are getting. So first thing is that it is having energy rating of E. That means it can consume 9 kilowatt hour per 1000 of hours, and it has a display size of 16 inch, which is quite big. That's why the name is 16. So the size of this device is 16 inch, and on the back side you can see that what we are getting. We are going to get a Wacom Pro Pen 2. Then it is a battery free pen. We are getting a pen holder with the pen nibs. The display is 1920 1080 full HD display, 72% of NTSC color, and 19 degree of stand you can make it on this tablet. In the box, what we are getting all these things in this box. So let's open this and see what we have. So it is sealed. So this is the box. If you open this, you are getting this box, and this compartment will give you the cables, and this compartment will give us the tablet. Okay, so this is a tablet that we are getting. It's quite heavy and quite big also. In this we are getting these cables. So the first cable that we are going to see, next thing that we are see is the adapter to charge this. And this is quick start manual. So this is the adapter that we have, and this is the cable that you have to connect to the adapter to the adapter via the charge cable to your tablet. And this is the Precision Pen Pro Pen. देखिए हुई कैसे करी वो तुम पगली बात मत कर. Okay, so this cable that we are going to see is the charging cable, and it is Indian plug. Okay, and this one is UAE plugs. That's nice. We are getting two different kinds of plug. So one is you can say UK or Indian plug, that is nice, and one is UAE or Middle East plug. So we're going to use this one. So let's put this back. And this is the adapter that we have. Let's open this adapter. And we will plug this cable to this adapter. Okay, so this has been connected. Now let's open the tablet. So this is the device, 16-inch device, quite big. It's quite big. And if I keep, let's say, one A4 size paper, so as you can see, this A4 size paper is coming on up to this, and there is some space also. So you can compare with the screen size with the A4 size paper also. You can use this stand on back of this to place it like this. This is the power button over here. So now we will connect this cable with this one, which we have over here. So connect this. So you have to push this and then just plug it in. And then release this button to lock it. And now this cable will go to the charging port of this tablet, which is on the back side over here. So you have to push this and then open this up, and then plug this wire. Be sure you have to push this to unlock the cable. And this side where you can see this arrow, it will come on the top of this. Press this and then fix this. Okay, so this has been fixed, and you can close this button now. This shutter, you can close this shutter, and the cable has been connected. Okay, I will place this over here. Let me switch on the power source. So power source is switched on, and let's press a button. पूजा करेंगे ना, तुम करोगे क्या? तो कैसे करें? रोली नहीं, रोली है ना, मीठा 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 नहीं है कुछ। अरे सब मीठा ही है। कतरी भी ले आती है। इकाना पेन तो बड़ा मोटा है। दोनों तरफ से लिखता है ये तो ना पता वो। हाँ शायद रबड़ होगा। Okay, go no signal, so we have to connect this to some laptop. So I'm going to connect this with the laptop. For that I'm going to use this HDMI cable. Okay, so I've connected it to a laptop. Again I am starting it. So now the casting has been started. So as you can see, I'm casting my laptop, which is over here, right? So I'm casting my laptop onto this Wacom device. Now I have to download a driver onto my laptop to use this. So let's install a latest driver of the Wacom into my laptop. So now I will go online, and then I have to go to wacom.com. You can write /start /Wacom Cintiq, then press enter, and it will take you to this Wacom Cintiq getting started. So for this 16, we will going to watch this video, or what we can do, we can go with step 1, download and install a driver. As I am using a Windows, I will click on this Windows option and I will download this software. जल्दी चालू हो जाए, बेबी को मैं दूं फिर दिखाऊं, ये भी ड्राइंग करेगी मस्त. Okay, so now the software has been downloaded. Let's install this. So I'm going to install the software, which is Wacom, that I have downloaded from the website, and it is specially for Cintiq 16 that I have downloaded. Click on accept, and it is installing. So this is the latest driver that you have to install if you want to use this Cintiq 16 device on your let's say via connecting your PC or laptop. And this is must. So if you want to use this Cintiq 16 device, we have to connect to some external you can say the laptop or a source from where this tablet is going to get the information or the input. So over here it's a PC that is giving us the input or to the tablet, and then after connecting this, we are giving the input to the laptop via the tablet. So now this application has been installed. It says the pen tablet driver files were successfully copied. You must restart your system to complete the installation. Shutdown is not the same as restart, so we have to restart it. So just click on this restart now. Okay, so the laptop has been restarted. Okay, so now I have restarted the laptop. Now step 2 is connect the Wacom Cintiq to power and your PC or Mac, and follow the instruction of the setup wizard and you are ready to go. So that I have already done, and now this has been come Wacom Experience Program for Tablet Driver. Okay, so you can just click on this and you are opting in to participate in the Wacom Experience program. Click on OK. If you don't want to participate, uncheck that box. Okay, so now we can go to this Wacom Center. So we have to connect this to a USB port. So as you can see, this is the USB port that I have to connect to my laptop. Okay, this now has been connected. Okay, as soon as you can connect the USB port, you can see this welcome message. It says congratulations on your new Cintiq 16. Click start to learn about your device. Click on that. Now it will tell you about different trigger options that can be used on your pen. So trigger different functions by pressing a button on your pen while hovering over the device. So on this pen which you are getting, Cintiq Pro pen, in this, if you use this, in this pen, if you are going to use this bottom button, the first button, it will act as a the right mouse key of your mouse. Then use Wacom Center to customize button, adjust display setting, and this is set. We can start it, and we can register device for exclusive software offers. So let me give you a basic thing. So the thing is that I have connected this cable to a USB, which is I think 2.0, this is 3, Because of that, what I was getting an error. This display was not working properly, and as soon as I changed this USB from here to here, and now it is working properly. So now let's see how this will work. So as you can see, you can now use your tablet to work on this, and you can get the same effect onto your screen. So whatever you're going to do over here, it is going to be done same exactly as on this screen, and this will be now functionable. And so I have shown the setup thing to you, how to set up a Wacom 16 device with your laptop, and how to install the software, and how to quickly start this Wacom 16 device. I will give you a brief review of this device also in my future upcoming videos, so stay tuned on my channel Wiseman. Thank you.